I was gonna tell a silly egg joke here, but it wasn't all it was cracked up to be. Hi guys, and welcome to the craft table. If you remember, a little while back, I picked up these chalk. They're egg-shaped chalk, and there's 6 of them in here. And I got them from the Dollar Tree. So, I had spent a tutorial painting plastic eggs with chalk paint to make them look like this. So I walked into Dollar Tree and found these and decided, well, heck, I'm all about being simple. Let's do some of these. And I think these, even the colors are just, rustic. So I'm going to do today some Dollar Tree rustic chalk eggs. And they're super simple, super easy, and all it takes is some eggs, some leftovers, and you got quite a pretty little basket. So let me show you what you need. Alright, of course you're going to need your eggs. They're just simple pieces of chalk. You can give them to your kids and have them decorate the neighborhood for you. You're going to need some scissors, always, and glue, or glue gun. I am definitely using my glue gun, my favorite toy in the whole world. And you're going to need some scraps, leftovers, whatever, of big ribbon, little ribbon, maybe some lace, some baker's twine, jute, string, yarn, whatever, just leftover pieces. If it's big enough to wrap around these eggs, it's big enough. In fact, it doesn't even have to be that big. You can tie it in. If you can tie it into a bow and glue it on there, you got it made. Alright, I've got buttons. You know me and my buttons. I've got lots of buttons. I have pieces of just about everything. I have way too much jute, string, ribbon. Don't judge. If any crafter, I can almost guarantee, has way more ribbon, string, yarn, and lace than anybody will ever need. I almost guarantee it. So basically this is what we need. We need your leftovers. Don't run out and buy this stuff. The only thing you might have to buy are the eggs. $1 sitting right here. The rest of it, clean out some of that stash. Okay? So, let's get to work here and see what we can do. And there you have it. Little egg-shaped chalk turned into adorable rustic eggs, waiting to take their place in a basket, on the mantle, as a table centerpiece, any place you like. And the nice part about this is there is no wrong way. With a little bit of glue and some scraps, leftovers, anything, you can come up with something that you like. That's the whole thing. Make something that you like. It is your idea. Turn it into yours, please. And I hope you like these little off-the-wall things. I really enjoy making them for you. And if you do like it, hit the subscribe, because I get distracted easily. You never know. I could do 2, 3 in a row, and then there could be 2, 3 empty days. But I try. I really do. And I really appreciate those that are so patient with me. So, you have yourself a great day. Come up with your own ideas. And I really, really hope to see you soon. Bye-bye now.